What's going on, everybody? Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for taking your time to watch the videos that I'm putting out. I really appreciate it. So I've got another Dollar Tree haul, and this one I'm a little excited about because it's more than just DVDs. Now DVDs are making profits, they're selling really quick, and it's been pretty steady, and that's exciting also, but it's always nice when you're out there looking to get something other than what you're normally looking for, right? So, or what you normally find rather. So today, stick around. I got some pretty cool things to show you. I've got some books, I've got some beauty supply things, as well as some DVDs that I want to share also. So let's take a look at the shipment that I've got set up. Again, this is the Amazon recap of the shipment. So let's take a minute and look at this so you can see what I got as far as item number and what the profit's going to be. All right, so this is what I picked up. It took me about 30 minutes, and as you can tell from this, the total net profit is going to be about $70. That's what I'm hoping. So 30 minutes, 70 bucks, that's pretty freaking good. If you do drive time and time to prep and stuff like that, probably about an hour, but still, $70 an hour, pretty good. All right, so here's the MSKUs. I got 8 different types of items, 15 total items. So I did get multiples, which is the power of retail arbitrage at the Dollar Tree. Sales rank, so this is a little higher than I like, but it's because it has some books in there, which is going to raise it. This is how much everything's going to sell for. This is how much I paid, and then this is going to be the profit right here. So not a bad 30-minute stop at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so what are some things that I got? I'm going to show you some pictures of what I got. Well, let's go over them here one by one. Let's go over the books first. And what I really want to stress is that with these items, even if Amazon is on the listing, that you can still sell it, right? Because a lot of these that I'm going to show you, Amazon is still on the listing. Okay, so here's the first book, Clean 7, hardback book. There's no marks or anything on the edges, no dots. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell this as new. So let's take a look here and see what it sells for new. And we're going to look at the Keepa and why I think it's interesting what Amazon's doing with the buy box and why I picked this one up. All right, so here we have it. Clean 7, supercharge the body's natural ability to heal. I picked up 5 of these. And so you can tell here, look, there's $17.83 right now is what they're selling for. So if I got $1 in them, I'm going to make $8.50. That's pretty good. We got 5 of them. That's all that they had at the store. And I didn't have a chance to stop at any other Dollar Trees in the area to see if they had more. But you can look here. This person only has 6 left in stock. Haley's store, she has 6 left. And the price sort of drops, right? These are $17.88, $17.83, $16.95. There are some for like $12.99 new, but they're not FBA, so I'm not going to pay attention to that. This is what I think is interesting, okay? And so this is why you got to make the call on whether or not you're going to compete with Amazon. So let's look at Keepa here. So here's the month view, all right? So these green down dips here, these are sales. So this is selling. Let's get rid of some of this stuff. All right, this is selling quite a few a month. And if you look at this blue line here, this is how much it's charging new non-FBA, right? $9, but that's plus shipping, which it doesn't tell you right here. But look at this. This orange, all this orange in the back, this is Amazon. And you can see Amazon is selling for $17.99. The buy box is by Amazon, okay? So normally you would be like, man, Amazon's got the buy box. I'm not going to get it. My thinking was I'm in it for $1, and for making $8, I'll hold on to it. But look at this. Let's look at today. This hasn't sold any today, but follow along my screen here as I go, and you can see the buy box where it says buy box on the little pink square. Watch this. Buy box, third party, means not Amazon. It means Amazon's sharing the buy box. Keep going, keep going, Keep going. Bam. Amazon's got the buy box now, $17.99. Keep going. Keep going. This is all today. This is just for today. And then boom, third party again. So Amazon is sharing that buy box, which is why I'm perfectly confident sending these in. Next book we look at, let's look at another one. Feng Crochet. I guess that's how you say it. Feng Crochet. Thin book, paperback, again, nothing on the sides. Gonna sell it as new. Now, if this had something on the sides here, like marks or something like that, or writing, we couldn't sell this as new. But since this is in perfect condition, we're gonna sell it as new. And a lot of times when you're at the Dollar Tree, you can't scan the barcode of these because they have their own barcode. This is my this 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 is my Amazon label here. But under that is not the actual UPC of the book. It's the barcode that Amazon, or I'm sorry, the Dollar Tree has on theirs. So what you have to do is you have to use the seller app's picture feature to pick that up. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here we've got the Amazon app. You're gonna hit the thing, the how you scan, right? The little picture of the camera. So let me back that up there. So you're going to hit the camera up here at the top right, and you're going to hold it over and see how it picks up the picture. It's hard to like stop it for you because it gets it so quick. Amazon's really good about this. And so what comes up is the book that you're looking for, right? The Feng Crochet. And then you can click over, and then you can go ahead and you can do your search like you were going to. So you can't always scan the barcode, but that's not a big deal with Amazon, because if the barcode doesn't work, you can always get the picture like we just did here, or you can even type it in. So we'll just look here real quick. 10.98 is what it's selling for. We're gonna do it for $1. We're gonna make $3.21, right? So now let's get out of here and let's go take a look at it on the actual Amazon website, and you can see again that Amazon is selling this, but we're not afraid of that. So here's the book here, Feng Crochet. Oh, and see how it says it requires approval? I'm not sure why. I just got approval for this. The last book did that as well. So Amazon app is having this issue where you can ask for approval on the phone app, and then it'll say approved, but then it will still show as needing approval. But what happens is I go ahead and I do that, and I just come home and then I do it on actual Amazon and get the approval through and get reapproved, and then it's fine from then on out. This app just hasn't updated yet. So there were both of the books I had to get approval for, and I was approved, so that was a bonus. So here we got this $10.99. We're gonna go down here, and if you look, all the orange is Amazon. So Amazon's selling this for $15.99, but Amazon has not had the buy box in the last 3 months. Look at this pink line, 1076 third-party FBA buy box. Buy box has been by somebody else. So even though Amazon's on it, they're giving the buy box to third-party sellers, which is what I am and which presumably you are. So real quick, I'm going to show you another item that is health and beauty, and then we'll go through a couple DVDs that I picked up, and then that'll be it for the video. So you want to stick around for the last DVD though, I think, because it's got pretty good profit, and if you see them out, it'd be a good one to pick up. But anyway, let's go ahead and look at this health and beauty item. We've got this Lusty argan oil hair stuff. Never heard of this brand, never seen it before, so I scanned it. I picked up 2 of them, but after I came home and actually did some more research on them, I should have probably gotten them all. Let's take a look. Okay, here it is. The Lusty Argan Oil Hair Moisturizer, triple strength, right? So here it is here. 8 fluid ounces, which is what this is. The description matches it, and it's selling for $7.90. The current seller has 6 left in stock. We're gonna spend $1 and make $2.40. So you got to think about it like this, right? $2.40 isn't enough to go to the bank with, but if you get 4 of these, that's pretty much $5, right? So you pick up 4 of them, $5. 8 of them, $10. And that's how you have to sort of look at this thing. It compounds, right? A little bit over and over compounds. So this is selling pretty steady. Look at this. This is why I think I should have gotten all of these. Amazon not on the listing. Past month, all these down dips, They're selling several a month. Okay. I think it's got a pretty good rank. Well, 286,000 in beauty. I try to stay under 150,000 to sell them really quick, but this is definitely going to sell at 286,000. So back down here, buy box 851, 790. You can see this has been a pretty constant price, and there are several sales a month. If you go back to the last 3 months, sort of slows down a little bit, but we're still selling. These are selling, right? So this is something that I think I may actually even have my eye out for these and go back and get more. Um, but that's why I think that I should have gotten more to begin with. Didn't, so I may just need to go back. So that's a pretty sweet find right there. And it's something new to look out for. Lusty, right? Something new at the Dollar Tree. When I'm out, I'm going to look for that brand. All right, so let's check out a couple of these DVDs. We got this one, and I couldn't find any multiples of these, but I just picked up the ones that I could find. The Osiris Child, and again, Amazon selling it. All this orange is Amazon for $13.99, but they're given to the buy box for $9.50. So even if we sell it at the buy box price, we're still going to make $2.06. Same again over here. Weird looking movie. Tigers Are Not Afraid. Sort of high, 70,000. Again, Amazon is selling it. And they do have the buy box sometimes, but they also share with third parties. Not afraid. Gonna send it in. The Pale Door, same thing. Amazon selling it $11.49. But if you look, they share it with third party sellers on the buy box. And this one I thought would be a little bit faster seller, but over the last 3 months, it's not hardly selling. So it only sold a few times last month. Not a big deal. We'll still send it in. Okay, so this last one, this is one that I've sold a few of these here recently. And when I saw this one, I was pretty excited about it. They just had one though. I've been to stores where they have 8, 9, 10. But it's this here, Bound for Glory. And I did show this in one of my other videos, but now they're actually starting to sell. So I'm like, oh, yeah, okay. Hey, people are actually buying them and they're happy with what they're buying. So it's selling right now for $13.43. The ones I sold for 17 something. But still, 20,000, pay $1, make $5.81. 21,000 seller ranking. You're making pretty good money on this dollar investment. And if you look back here, 3 months ago, these things were selling. They were listed and selling for $39, right? Huge drop. Still making some profit. I think I am going to hold on to a couple of them just to keep around the house in case for some reason that this price goes back up, right? So I am going to keep those. And hopefully the price goes up. Sometimes you can do that. Sometimes you can hold on to something, the price of dip, you hold on to it, and the price skyrockets. That's happened to me quite a few times before. But that's it for the haul. That's about all I got. I've got multiples of some things. I did get a few more DVDs than what I showed you there. But for brevity's sake, I just showed you a few things that I think would be good for you to look out for. Remember, don't be afraid if Amazon is on something. You want to check the Keepa graphs, right? You want to check Keepa, and you want to see if Amazon is sharing the buy box. If they're sharing the buy box, that's not a problem. Even if they're not sharing the buy box, which if you don't know, by the way, the buy box is when you go to Amazon, you search in an item, the first one that pops up that says buy now, that's the buy box. So you want that, right? Very high percentage of people buy from that, myself included. But even if they're not sharing the buy box, you can still send stuff in, especially if you've only got $1 in it and you're going to get $5, $6 back. Send it in, right? You can lower the price, you can leave the price the same. There are people that are out there that are going to know that the buy box is possibly charging more, and they could go get it cheaper if they click on other offers. So those people are out there, so don't be afraid to send those in either. Make sure you check the beauty aisles, the book aisles. Be careful though, please, with books. You don't want to send in something new that's not new. Same with beauty. You don't want to send in something because sometimes you'll get these and they're like half full. You don't want to get those. You want to make sure that you're sending out products that are good, that people will want to buy, and that they'd be satisfied with. So Again, thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will catch you next time.